Hi everyone, this is the five-story residential building. The building color yellow. This is the front side and left side and around the building. The building is the front side and front side stair. Back side one window size 5 feet breadth and 5 feet length. This is the back side, two balcony and two window kitchen room and storeroom. This is the right side and same categories the building. The building is the very beautiful color and the building is total length 15 feet and building is total breadth 32 feet. The residency building, this is my choice, color is yellow and you the another color this building.